This is a question about Bilquis. Bilquis is more difficult because her leadership and her power, which might seem to be interesting, feminist models, take place when she's still a pagan, worshipping the sun. And then when she comes to Sulaiman and she submits to Allah, she is now submissive to Sayyidina Sulaiman, apparently. So Bilquis generally is not invoked as one of the ideal types for Muslim women. I suppose I should make a token gesture, be inclusive, and answer some of the questions from the other side, even though the handwriting is much worse. Yeah, it's true. Asian parents much more indulgent with sons than with daughters. The sons get away with murder and often less educated than the daughters, in England anyway. I think I'll do just two more.